Imagine living in a home that moves with you. A $2 million luxury motorhome. That's more impressive than most mansions. From the outside, it looks like a futuristic palace on wheels, designed with sleek lines, giant panoramic windows, and a body that makes heads turn wherever it goes. But the magic really begins. When you step inside, the living room welcomes you like a five-star suite, with Italian leather sofas, a crystal coffee table, and a giant smart TV built right into the wall. Mood lighting across the ceiling makes the whole place glow, like a luxury lounge in Dubai. The kitchen feels like something out of a $1 million apartment. Marble countertops, state-of-the-art appliances, and a hidden wine cooler, all tucked neatly into a compact but elegant design. You can cook a gourmet meal while rolling across the country. Step further back, and the bedroom feels like pure royalty. A king-sized bed with Egyptian cotton sheets, soft ambient lighting, above the headboard, and built-in wardrobes for every outfit you own. At night, you'd forget you're in a vehicle at all. And yes, even the bathroom is beyond imagination. A full marble sink, a rainfall shower surrounded by glass, heated floors, and golden accents that sparkle like a five-star spa. But here's the real surprise. This motorhome isn't just about comfort. It's loaded with technology, smart climate control, touchscreen panels in every room, and even security systems that rival luxury mansions. The driver's cockpit looks like the inside of a private jet. Leather captain seats, a massive digital dashboard, and panoramic glass giving you a full view of the road ahead. This isn't just transportation. It's a rolling masterpiece, a $2 million motorhome that redefines the meaning of luxury travel. So tell me, would you live in a motorhome like this? Or do you still prefer a traditional mansion? Let us know in the comments below.